Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once. Let's begin. So what you need to do is you need to open up your Roblox application. Now, if you don't have the Roblox application, then you need to install it. So what you need to do is you need to open up the Microsoft Store. You are going to search up Roblox, and then you're going to click on Get, and then you're going to install it on your PC. Now, after you've logged into your account in Roblox, you are going to go to the web browser, and then you go to search up Roblox. Now, once you searched up Roblox, you are going to go to the main Roblox webpage. So over there, I'm going to click on the link. Then what you need to do is you need to go to the right side, top right, and then click on Log In. So then you're going to log in with your details, and then you're going to join a specific game. What you're going to do now is you are going to join a specific game on the browser, and then you are going to open up the Roblox application, and then you are going to join that same game. So there you can join on two separate accounts, and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.